Dear colleagues, I am very happy to announce that the S&D Group will be meeting again outside Brussels in a hybrid mode. After all these months of intense teleworking, we have indeed moved toward a more digital day-to-day reality, which has kept us connected during this difficult pandemic. But we all know how important personal contact is to continue working on our daily task. Many of you have told me during the last months that you were missing seeing your colleagues, which is one of the best parts of our jobs. This is why I am very excited that the first group meeting outside Brussels or Strasbourg after many years will be held in Malta. As progressives, we are looking forward to meeting with Prime Minister Robert Abela and his government in La Valletta during the last week of September. His persistence to implement progressive reforms in the country has not disappointed the majority of Maltese citizens. This is why there is a big popularity and support for the Labour Party of Malta, including our colleagues Alex, Josian, Cyrus, and Alfred. I am sure that our group debates and discussions in Malta will be very fruitful ahead of the October plenary session. And I am also confident that the change of view with our Maltese colleagues and citizens will be very inspiring to all of us. In the end, we have missed out for so long on being able to talk, share our thoughts, and meet with our citizens, NGOs and civil organizations to hear more about their hopes and realities and to explain what kind of Europe we want for them. In these times of populism, we, Social Democrats and Socialists, must reinforce our progressive view to bring a clear and coherent alternative for the majority of citizens. And I believe that our visit to Malta will be enriching and very useful to strengthen our political family and our vision of more green and digital Europe that ensure social justice without leaving anybody behind. I look forward to seeing you in Malta.